This is for your talk methods. It's the 2022 Maths Methods Calculus SAC question number 1 in Tech Aloud. So 1A and 1B. I have this quadratic and I'm looking for the equation of the tangent, so therefore y equals, the equation of the tangent's y equals, and they pass through the origin. So I know from my notes in the slides for applications, tangents that go through the origin are one of the special cases. And if I use this rule, that will tell me where they touch. And if they go through another point, I can use this rule to tell me where they touch. Okay, so tangents that go through the origin, it's going to be r dash of x equals r of x over x. I'm going to use x instead of a. So I'll bring out my calculator. I've got x squared minus 8x plus 6, and I'm going to select it and I'm going to define it. So I've got f of x. So if I take the derivative of f of x, keyboard, math2d dx with respect to x, and I set that equal to, in a fraction, I put f of x in the numerator and x in the denominator, and I go solve for x. That will tell me where, and it's a plus or minus root 6, so x equals plus or minus root 6. So I now wish to find out tan lines at plus or minus root 6, and that will give me the equations. So interactive calculation line, tan line at root 6. And that gives me, let's simplify that. That gives me y equals minus 2x bracket minus root 6 plus 4. And that was minus root 6 plus 4. That's equation number 1. And looking at equation number 2, that will be at negative root 6. And that's going to be the same rule except with the positive root 6, minus 2x root 6 plus 4. Done. The second one is where it goes through the origin. And the rule for that was, opening up my bound book, having a look, so f of a minus f of c, a minus c. So it's going through there. So it's going to be r of x dash equals r of x minus 1 plus 1 over x minus 1 plus 1. So if I bring up my calculator and I go back up here and I go plus 1 and I go plus 1, then that's going to give me these 2 points at x equals 3 and x equals negative 5. So now I want tan lines at those points. So tan lines at negative 5. And I might do it all together. Tan line at 3. Put my xy there. And I get y equals negative 18x minus 19. And secondly, minus 2x minus 3. Done. That's A and B.